Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf. In this video I'll show you how to replace the air filter on a 2013 Chevrolet Cruze with a 1.6 petrol engine. Let's get fixing! So this is a fairly simple job. As you can see, there's some screws around the outside edge that we need to remove. They're just Phillips screws. All we need for that is a screwdriver. A slightly longer one than this would be ideal. This one did the job perfectly fine. All we need to do is loosen the screws. We don't need to take them all the way out of the top cover, just loosen them up into a out so we can lift the top cover off. Yeah, just quickly whiz through these. I spread this up a bit so you haven't got to sit through me taking out all these little screws. Yeah, as I said, you don't need to remove them all, just quickly whip round and let them out. I'm just going to change the angle now, just so you can see from a different angle. Again, to whip them out. Like I said, a slightly longer screwdriver would be perfect, but changing your air filter is an important maintenance item. Keeps the car running nice and smooth, and that's what we need to do. You're getting to the end of it now. One more screw left after this. Yeah, we come up with that fairly easy. They can be a bit of a pain. Just be gentle and use the best screwdriver you've got. Again, they're only Phillips, so there's plenty to choose from. Yeah, just loosen this last screw off, and then we'll be able to remove the cover. Once we remove the cover, we just lift it up. Don't remove it all the way, just lift it up and we'll get the air filter out. Yeah, very simple. We're going to lift it up now and take the air filter out. This one isn't too bad, to be fair. I've seen worse. It's only got a bit of dust and debris in it. It's nothing major, but the customer wanted to change, so we're going to change it. There's also a leaf in the box. Make sure you clean out your air box after you do this. Just makes it all nice and simple. Now here comes the new air filter. It's got a rubber seal around the edge of it, and what we want to do is, you can see that black plastic lip around the edge. We just want to push it down on that, as you can see me doing here, and get a nice good seal. This will just help prevent any dirt and debris getting around the edges and also give you maximum airflow. Now all we need to do is pop the screws back in the way we removed them. So again with the Phillips screwdriver, just run them down. You can spread this up just to make it a bit quicker for you. It's a fairly simple process, but one that can make all the difference to the life of your car. Yeah, just put these screws back in. On this particular Chevy, the airbox was quite exposed and quite easy to get to, which is always nice. I've noticed something loose, so I'm going to pop that back on while I'm doing this. And yeah, just carry on, just putting these last few screws back in now. And yeah, like I said, it's fairly exposed, it's just on the passenger driver's side wing, so to say. Or right hand wing, depending on which side you're looking at it from. And yeah, just work them in, nice and easily. Do the last few in. There's a good angle of them. There's a couple of harder to get ones. This is one of the harder to get ones, I'd say. But it's not that bad really. Nice simple process. Like I said, a longer screwdriver would help. And yeah, this is the last one to go back in. And just go around afterwards and double check everything. As you tighten them down, they may loosen other ones, so it's worth double checking. And yeah, that's how you change the air filter on a 2013 Chevrolet Cruze with a 1.6 engine. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe if you're new. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.